Hello friends and welcome back to my channel Craft Arts. Today I'm here with a 10-day painting challenge where I will be sharing super easy and beginners friendly paintings. Are you ready for the challenge? So let's see what's the challenge for day 3. And it's an acrylic moonlight landscape. So let's start painting. And we are done here for today. Get ready for day 4 challenge. If you like my painting, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll see you tomorrow with a new painting. Till then, stay home, stay safe and keep practicing.